Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how do I merge two dictionaries in a single expression in Python. In Python, you can merge two dictionaries into a single dictionary using the update method or the dictionary unpacking syntax. Here's how you can do it. 1. Using the update method. Now let me run this example code. Here is the output you will get. 2. Using the dictionary unpacking syntax, available in Python 3.5 and later. Now let me run this example code. Here is the output you will get. Note that when using these methods, if the dictionaries being merged have overlapping keys, the values in the second dictionary, dict2 in this case, will overwrite the values in the first dictionary, dict1 in this case, for those keys. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.